of it. In most of the organizations, there are presentations and public speaking by people, by the executives as well as the senior people. It could be discussions, it could be presentation to a prospective customer, or it could be a presentation to your juniors, it could be a presentation to the board members, right? Or it could be one presentation to a venture capitalist in which you are talking about your business plan, right? So the different situations demand very good presentation skills, right? So technical skills, as I am saying, they account for 22 to 25% of professional excellence, and rest depend on the soft skills. Soft skills, it includes the public speaking skills and the presentation skills. How effectively you are able to present yourself. Just imagine if a faculty is entering to your class and simply they are doing the slide reading, so they may not be so effective. On the other hand, if the faculty is having some kind of body language, some important discussions that have been involving their audiences better than the previous faculty, then definitely you will enjoy that session more, right? So soft skills are very important. Speaking effectively and making an effective presentation, it is a skill that can be learned, it can be studied and polished. Simply saying, not 100% of the people are good speakers. Not 100% of the people are good at presentation skills. But with practice and with some dedicated efforts, you can actually excel. You can actually enhance your own public speaking skills, right? So all of you have already practiced some presentations in different subjects. If your presentation is good, then definitely people will have a very good impression कि भाई ये जो faculty है who is teaching me in the classroom, they are good. Why they are good? Because you are impressed with their presentation skills. Many a times the subject knowledge may not be so good, but the presentation skill is actually going to have an important impact on the perception of people about the presenter. अगर आपके पास कॉन्फिडेंस है, अगर आपका कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा है, बॉडी लैंग्वेज अच्छा है, then definitely your audience will be impressed with your presentation skills, right? So what all is actually revealed by presentation skills? It shows your confidence, it shows your fluency, it shows your style, conducting the discussions and the debates, right? So these are some important aspects of the speaker that are actually showcased in presentations, right? So public speaking versus business presentation, there are totally two different dimensions, right? In public speaking, what happens when a leader is going to address a large gathering of people? Just imagine Modi ji speaking to the people on television today at 10 a.m. and he was talking about corona and coronavirus issue. So he was actually more involved into monologue. Monologue matlab one side speaking, other side is listening. In case of business presentation, people are actually having their own idea to share and they have to welcome the feedback and they have to clear the doubts also, right? So presentation is a live mode of sharing information with a select audience. When I am speaking to you all, I am giving you all opportunity that you can ask your questions. Somehow you people are asking less, but still I am giving you the option that you can ask your questions, right? So it is a form of oral communication in which person is sharing factual information with particular audience.